made with all paper.
Transform and roll out! Let's roll!
Thank you so much for watching my video. If you would like to see more of my work and observe the process to make these paper constructs, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any suggestions of what you would like to see me make next, then put them in the comment section below. Also, please click the box to check out my next video. Until next time, remember, with art it's not the destination, it's the journey.